today we're making paper pumpkins to decorate our Thanksgiving tables! Tape, scissors, and some binder clips. And you're going to need some orange or yellow cardstock. You're also going to need green and brown cardstock too. First, you're going to take your orange and yellow paper and put the edges together hamburger style, not hot dog style. Make sure you don't crease it. We want it to be round. Then you're going to get your scissors. You're going to cut slits into the paper about 1 inch apart. And you're going to stop cutting when you're about 1 inch away from the end. It's a bit tricky, and it doesn't have to be perfect. The last one. You're going to open your paper and lay it down with the bent side up. You're going to get your tape and binder clips ready for this next step. We're going to smooth the paper out a bit, then roll the edges up into a tube. Overlap them about 1 centimeter. Then you're going to take your binder clips and clip the edges together. Now you're going to get 2 long pieces of tape and tape the edges together. Make sure you tape the inside and the outside so it's nice and secure. Now I'm going to do the other side. For the sixth part, you're going to want 2 long pieces of tape ready to go. You're going to put the back of your hand in the center so it doesn't bulge, and curve the edges up until they meet. You're going to overlap them about 1 centimeter. Then you're going to take your tape and tape it down 2 times. So it's extra secure. Next, we're going to make this stem. You're going to take your brown piece of cardstock and cut a wiggly diagonal line across the paper. You're going to want to get another piece of tape ready for this next part. We only need 1/2, so let's set the other one to the side. Now you're going to roll it with the wider part on the inside. And then you're going to take the top and roll it inwards so it's tighter and it looks more like a cone. Now you're going to take the piece of tape you had, ready, and tape the edge down. Now we're going to test to see if the height is right. And if it's not, we're going to trim it down. Last, you're going to need your green cardstock. I had extra scraps left, so I'm going to use those instead of a brand new sheet of paper. You're going to cut a thin line of paper. Ta-da! Now you're going to wrap your strip around your finger, not too tight because you don't want to hurt yourself. Then you're going to slide it off and take both ends and pull and gently pull it. You can adjust it if you want to make it more curly or less curly. Finally, you're going to tape your vine to your stem. And here's my finished pumpkin! Thanks for watching. Now get your craft on and get your happy on and have a crafty Thanksgiving. Bye.
Hold on, let me go down my escalator.
First, you're going to take your orange or yellow paper and now you're going to take a piece of tape
Oh no!